Well, hello everyone. If you are losing money in trading and or investing, I want to bring you this video with a very simple topic, extremely simple and easy to understand, so we can help you address the fact of that matter. Now, addressing the problem with many of us, including myself, when you start, maybe you're new into trading, maybe you have been trading stocks for a long time. If you look at this chart here, or IMV, this is a chart of the intraday session in here. And if you look at the graded or shaded blue, this is pre-market, this is after hours, and pretty quick here you can see how we jumped. Now, going back, the reason why many of us lose money, it is very simple. Now, why will King Solomon, wise man, wise king, will say that get wisdom, right? And he was trying to emphasize that wisdom is supreme, and even if it costs you everything you have, get understanding. Now, that thing calls my attention a lot, and here's the reason why it does. You see the chart here of IMV, and if the first instance is it's running during the extended hour session, and looking back, it had a pretty decent session from the low to the highs of this point, and we can say that it ran about 48 cents right there, 34%. Now, if we stretch it out towards the after hour session, you can see that it run $1.60, somewhat very close to that, 112.77%. Now, if you're new and you're watching this video and you're trying to find information on YouTube, you're probably asking yourself, what is the best trading program? How would I understand what candles actually mean? What is the best indicator? How much volume do I need? What's the volatility? What's the average true range? What the percentage of Fibonacci retracements, and a bunch of different things that are out there to quote-unquote help you understand better or to perform better. But this is really not a formula. This is not an absolute, and everybody's different when it comes to trading and investing. Everybody has a different approach. You might be trading cryptos, or you can be trading stocks and options, or forex, or any bonds or commodities, anything out there, right? But here's the thing. The first thing is getting the wisdom of what's the best thing that works for me, right? What's the best trading platform that I can use? How can I get this stocks that are moving, or the cryptos, or why, and this and that. Now, when it comes down to getting to the part, because if you don't know where to start, that's the wisdom part. Now, if you have been doing this and you already have an account and you're losing money, you have an account, you already have a trading platform, maybe you're trading through Thinkorswim or Robinhood or Webull or any other platform out there, and you've been doing this for a week, a month, maybe a couple of months, close to a year, maybe 2 years, but you're still not profitable. What I'm trying to say here, why will a wise person, or the wisest person according to history and books and everything out there, will say get the wisdom? Now, wisdom to know where to buy, where to sell, and how to transact, right? But why? Here's the understanding part. For example, I want to bring you a quick analogy of, maybe you have your car and you go to a mechanic, and the mechanic, you tell the mechanic or what's going on with your car, and by listening, and he can hear the sound, he already knows what it is, and he can perform very fast and in a very efficient way on something that will take you very, very long time to try to address, try to change a part. Even if you go to the doctor doesn't prescribe anything to you other than he listens first to whatever you're saying that your symptoms are, and then he just gives you a 30-second prescription, right? So he listens for 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and then he gives you the solution in 30-20 seconds, a minute maybe. The reason why they can do that is because they have understanding. And so when you look at this chart here and you see this moving, what you need to understand is, why is this stock moving? And so if you find the reason why this stock is moving, and you have the wisdom and the understanding to know what each pattern means, when not to buy, when to get out, when to get in, what stop loss to keep, if it's mental or hard. If you have the understanding, if you can get the understanding, then it might really help you a lot. If you look at this trend here, it's pushing nicely to then pull back and give us really a nice round bottom formation on the 15 minutes. Nice doji. And here is a long-legged doji. Right here, it's pretty much very close to what a gravestone doji looks like. Long-legged and then very tiny doji, regular doji, right? What this thing shows here is it's a lot of indecision here, but then the volume is dying out right here. So it gives us a nice round bottom formation, ramping up, small flag, and then push up to the next move. Here you can see how this little consolidation comes down and pulls back very small and slow in 5 minutes, giving us a decent flag formation that might end up giving us a nice push with a nice leg up towards the up move tomorrow. By the time you watch this video, this stock might have had performed the move. It's already Sunday night, and I'm creating this video so you can watch it, bringing you a couple of things here to try to help you understand why it is that you are not performing well. Maybe you haven't had the time yet to have the screen time or the ability to understand in a better way why stocks are moving and how a catalyst might affect in one way or another. Maybe you're not, you still don't understand what the past patterns are for you, and you don't have the character to recognize and take advantage of those patterns in your favor. Maybe you just don't wait for the setups to come to you, and you're just trying to anticipate the setup. What I'm trying to say is, get the wisdom. If you're very new in this, wisdom to find the platforms that will help you, where you can buy or sell and scan and do different type of things, the things that are better for you, and then get the understanding of how you best perform and what the best patterns are for you, and take the time to develop those things, because the foundation is what will help you. But this foundation is you gotta build up that foundation and the character to know what best practices are the ones that yield the best results for you, particularly not chasing things because other people say, but looking for the things that will yield the best results for you. Wisdom and understanding. If you want to talk more stocks and you like this pattern in the after hours and the pre-market, this is something that I have had for tomorrow, Monday, and this is running in scanners. If you want to talk a little bit more about this stuff, no questions asked, there will be a invite link in the description of this video to a Discord group where we discuss and we talk stocks, cryptos, and different things, options included, no questions asked. Come join, and I hope I will see you around so we can talk a little more. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. Until the next time, stay green.